That's for this video, and here is Tech. So also, if you want to check if someone is using your WhatsApp account with you, just check the comment section, or at the end of this video I'll leave a link to the video on the screen for you to watch that video, so that you can just know who is reading your WhatsApp messages or using your WhatsApp account on their phone with you, and then you will disconnect them. So let's have this one right here, how you can know or check to see if someone is using your Facebook account with you. Let's go into it. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also share after watching, because it can help your friend or a family member. Let's start. So just open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook, look for menu. Okay, so on my phone you can see menu is down here. When you tap on menu, it will bring you to this display. When you look at the top right here, we have the settings. Just tap on settings. So anywhere you find your settings, just try and find it. Okay, and then right here you can see we have password and security. Just tap on it. So for mine, when I tap on it, it will bring you the details of that account center. So when you come here, tap on password and security. When you tap on it, it will bring you to the display. Just scroll down a little and look for where you are logged in. Tap on it. So when you tap on it, you can see this is my Facebook account, and the second one is my Instagram account. So we are focusing on Facebook for now. So just tap on this one right here, the Facebook right here. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it will show you phones that you are logged into. So you can see iPhone S, phone, Windows, iPhone, Infinix Hot 8 Lite. So if you see any phone that has logged into your Facebook account and you are not the one who logged into your account on that phone, you can see here we have select devices to log out. So just tap on select device to log out. When you tap on it, it will bring you to the display, and then you just select them. So let me select this, and then Infinix Hot 8 Lite. Okay, then let me select this one too. So after that, you can see down here we have logout. Just tap on logout. You will no longer be logged in on the selected devices. So those devices that you are logged in now, you are going to log out, and then they will not be able to get access to your Facebook account unless they enter your password and also your account name. Okay, so now just tap on logout. It will take a few seconds, and then you'll be logged out from that devices. Those devices that you are logged in, you'll be logged out from there. So no one will be able to get access to that again. And let me give you one more tip. Just go back. When you go back here, just go back once more. And when you come here where we just tap on where you are logged in, we have login alert. Just tap on that one, and then select your Facebook, and then make sure we have this one on. So in-app notification should be on, and also email should be on, so that anytime someone log into your Facebook account, you'll be able to get alert, and then you can just change your password instantly, or come and check the phone that you are logged in, and then you just exit that phone, and then you change your password. So this is what I have for you. I'll bring you more right here. So you just need to subscribe and also follow us for videos from here, and I'll bring you more videos. So thanks for watching. Just check this video to know how to check if someone is using your WhatsApp account with you, and also check this video for more right here on this channel. See you again. Thanks for watching, and stay alive. Bye for now.